Have you ever wondered how you can grow your assets under management with potential clients that live right in your own backyard? Or how to identify prospects with investable assets within a 10-minute drive of your office and become known as the neighborhood expert financial advisor? How would you make yourself known to them? Knocking on doors? Cold calling? Plastering your face on a bus stop bench? There's got to be a better way. And there is. Introducing DATALeader.com's billion-dollar marketing campaign. By targeting 1,000 people in close proximity to your office with $1 million or more in investable assets, we will create a billion-dollar honey hole just for you, right in your backyard. No more getting lost in the crowded financial advisor space online or in social media. The billion-dollar marketing campaign proactively introduces you and your firm as the local expert on retirement investment advice and education. You will become branded as the neighborhood financial expert to people in your area with $1 to $3 million in income-producing assets. On average, it takes 8 contacts for a person to do business with you, and 98% of consumers bring in the mail the day it's delivered. The billion-dollar campaign delivers 12 months of postcard marketing content professionally written by industry experts that drives inbound leads. Each postcard includes a valuable direct response offer, including pre-written direct response reports, which can be requested by phone, text, email, or a custom QR code. By continuously staying in front of the right targeted prospects in your area month after month, you will become recognized locally as the leading financial expert to turn to for advice. To discover the exact number of people with over $1 million in income-producing assets within a 10-minute drive of your office, visit www.dataleader.com/IPA. It's time to grow your book of business, starting now.